Anxiety. Assalamu alaikum. As part of the BIMA Mental Health in Lockdown series, today we are following Ayesha. Since the lockdown started, she has not been able to work but has been furloughed. She spends the time at home watching the news constantly and now probably knows as much about COVID-19 as the doctors. She has, however, over the past month, noticed this feeling of constant dread as if something bad is going to happen. Sometimes she notices a feeling as if her heart is sinking, and other times she feels it's racing. She has noticed that at times she can't focus on things that she is doing, not even the TV. During the preparation for Ramadan, she had been doing a lot of cooking, which she normally really enjoys, but she has found that she hasn't enjoyed it as much this time and has also noticed that she doesn't have a normal appetite. These are some symptoms of anxiety. Many people will be feeling like this because of the threat from the current pandemic and the big changes to our lives having to stay indoors. Some people experience these symptoms constantly, even when there isn't anything obvious to worry about. They often need to see the doctor for support. This Ramadan is very different to any we have had in the past, as we are all having Ramadan at home. There are many things that we can do if we are having any of these symptoms while staying safe and having Ramadan at home. The first would be to switch off the TV. It is important to regulate the amount of time you spend on the media, maybe limiting yourself to watching the news once a day. Ramadan is the month of the Quran, and it would be beneficial to spend time reading the Quran. But if concentrating is difficult at times, then you could try listening. There are so many Qari with beautiful voices. You could maybe try focusing on one or two ayah and improve your recitation. Often having a quiet and secluded place away from distractions to read the Quran, to reflect and to relax is beneficial. In that special place, you could try spending time clearing your mind and reflecting on Allah, focusing on the blessings Allah has bestowed upon you, focusing on the wonders of His creation. Fasting can be an excellent way of staying healthy. It is important to stay healthy and eat a healthy diet and get some exercise, whether it's indoors or out. Not only is it sunnah, but it will also help with symptoms of anxiety. One of the aspects of Ramadan we all look forward to is the feeling of community and going to meet up with friends and family. Without this, we can start to feel isolated and low. This is why it is even more important to stay in contact with family and friends using online platforms or your phone. There is no reason to be socially isolated while in physical isolation. You can also keep that connection with the mosque by listening or watching the same sheikh and imams on the mosque social media pages. If you are struggling with symptoms of anxiety, then do reach out and contact your GP or local mental health services.